One good thing about having a small countertop for the master bathroom is that you won't accumulate a lot of junk in here. It'll be easy to clean and get ready for staging. For a lot of my hair tools and my hair products and the baby's hair products, I'm just gonna move them in drawers because they don't need to be on the countertop. So since the countertop is a little bit on the smaller side, I'm just gonna put maybe 1 or 2 decorations and that's it. So I'm basically going to put a nice white towel and a nice green plant to top off this look, and that is all for the master bathroom. You always want to have white towels or neutral towels. I just layered it with a white towel over it. It is a small towel rack, so I'm not able to fit more than just one. So that's all I did in that area. Now we're gonna move on to the master bedroom. Now this one is going to be fun and challenging at the same time because you are still sleeping in it, so it's going to be a challenge. So let's walk into the master bedroom. We are now in the master bedroom. One of the selling points in a home, in my opinion. For the 3 things that I look for in a house before purchasing is the kitchen, the master bedroom, the master bathroom, the whole master suite area, because you want to have a nice sized bedroom. It's where you relax and you sleep, and you want to have a nice master bedroom. I know I'm breaking one of the rules because I do have blue pillow covers, and you really want to have neutral colors. Blue is just my favorite color. I have navy blue sheets, navy blue pillows, and royal blue everything. I'm also breaking the feng shui rule. This mirror is actually supposed to be on the other side because your mirrors is supposed to face nature. That's where it attracts like positive energy or throws the bad energy out, something like that, feng shui. So this master bedroom is not feng shui approved, but when I do move, it will be feng shui approved. So as you can see here, I just really decluttered the nightstands where it's just the lamp and a charger cord, and that's basically all. Wow, the sun just hit differently. You don't want to have any of your laundry baskets, any dirty clothes showing, so I am definitely going to have to always do laundry or make sure I don't have any laundry just in case people want to view the house. So you don't want to have any dirty clothes. You want to have your room smelling nice and fresh, and always definitely have your bed made. You'll have to excuse my little baby. He is about to fall asleep. We don't have any personal photos of us up here, and if I did, I would have removed them. The cool thing about my dresser is that it has a secret compartment for your jewelry. I'll show you real quick. So the cool feature on that is that I can put all of my jewelry and stuff that you would normally, have exposed, or if it was on the counter, I can just tuck it in there. So the counter space is definitely empty. I have my Himalayan salt lamp. I really like that. A Himalayan salt lamp freshens the air and it helps reduce the radiation with all of your electronic devices that you have. So I like to keep that on most of the time. It doesn't run a lot of electricity, but my husband is always like, why is the bill so high? Why is it? I don't really leave it on that much, but you are supposed to leave it on all the time because it does take a while for the Himalayan salt to melt into the air and actually do its job. Okay, husband, do you hear me? Anyways, I have white curtains, which are nice and good. My carpets, it's not a big color palette. You don't want to have a big color palette in your house, period. So I've kept it down to, just natural, neutral colors. Now for my armoire, oh my gosh. Like right now, I have this in here and I have my phone in here. So if I really want to hurry up and throw something in there, then I can, because I'm pretty sure people that are viewing the home are not going to open it and see what's in it, But as far as picture's sake, you close it up and that's it. Even if you're not moving, it's always nice to have your home look nice and organized. I'll wake up and my brain won't be cluttered. I feel like if there's dishes in the sink or if there's something that I need to do, dirty laundry or something, I just feel like my mind is cluttered and it doesn't know where to start when I wake up. You know what I mean? So I feel like when my rooms are organized, the bathrooms, closets is organized, I feel like I have a schedule. So yeah, even if you're not moving, maybe these tips will help you stay organized. We're gonna move on to my living room and the kitchen and the guest bedroom finally. Oh my gosh. In the living room, I basically just needed to remove all of our personal photos and then just a lot of other little decor pieces that I didn't want in there, that I just wanted it to really be plain. When it comes to getting your home stage ready and when photographers are coming in and taking pictures, they like to see green, they like to see a lot of nature colors. And although I don't have any nature colors, I did keep it really plain and simple. I didn't take too much time into decorating. I just mainly removed a whole bunch of things out and just made it as minimal as possible. For my couch, I just have some cool tone mixed in with a little bit of yellow, which is basically my pop of color. This part of the living room, I am gonna leave up to the photographer's discretion whether or not this should stay here or not. If the photographer thinks that it's not a good idea to have it there, then I will remove it, no problem. So I'm just gonna leave it here, and then I'm going to leave only a few of his toys. His other toys I will put in the closet until we are finished moving. And there you have it. I am sweating. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. There's my living room. It is stage ready. Like I said before, I will let the photographer decide if he wants me to remove this children's play mat or not. Sometimes it does kind of show how big the living room is, and if there are people that are looking at the home and if they have children, maybe they would like to see that, oh, okay, this living room has enough to fit a little play area for a kid. In those cubby spaces right there, I actually cannot put anything in there because my son will pull them out and play with them, so I decided to just take everything out of it. Sometimes you don't realize how much stuff you have in your living room until you go through it and see like, dang, I had a lot of just unnecessary stuff in there, and now it looks like a whole different living room. If I would have taken before and after pictures, and you guys would have seen what it looked like before. So there you have it. I got this room down and a whole bunch more to go. All right, so it is June 5th now, and I just finished tackling the master bedroom, and we're moving on to the office area. Okay, so here in the office area, we just basically have that. So I will remove that, and then all of the clutter up here, I will get rid of. I'll get rid of that. Like my, I call this my drive-through attire. How do you like? That'll stay there until it's time to go. That I'll probably get rid of, and then I'll get rid of the calendar and then just kind of organize this a little bit, and that's really all in here. I never paid attention to this room because no one ever came over, no one ever spent the night, and it was just an extra room, so I decided to just put everything in that room, and I let it get so packed that I just avoided this room so much, and so I finally was able to get, you know, some energy and go through it and clean it. I actually organized it. It is like a storage room, but it's definitely organized. So this paint that this house has is very, very cheap. It's like a matte paint, and it literally shows every little detail, fingerprints, scuff marks and stuff. And it's kind of hard to remove because when you remove it, all it does is not remove it. So I'm painting over all of the fingerprints off because it really is not a good paint. It's basically like primer paint. Time definitely crept up on me. It was very hard to do because my little baby just kept messing up things that I was organizing, and it was just really, really hard to do anything. And if they're gonna be taking pictures for staging tomorrow, I feel like it'll just be an eyesore. So even though this is our rental, I still want to, you know, I feel like good karma. So even though this isn't our job to sell this house, I feel like since it's going to be on the internet, I don't want it looking all, you know, raggedy and stuff. So that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so like right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but these are marks on the wall that I have wiped down, but it just shows you how easy fingerprints show up on the wall, and it just does not look good. Since I'm still searching for a house, I do look on Zillow and Realtor.com and Trulio and all those other home searching sites. I do notice that a lot of people keep a lot of stuff on their walls. So this is definitely just a preference that I wanted to remove all of our monumental items and awards and stuff. So, you know, if you are in the same boat as me, remember, just do what you want to do. Just know that these things will be on the internet. So that's why I decided to just remove a lot of personal things on there, because you never know how people are these days. You really don't. So yeah. Okay, well, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this series, and it's a lot of work and I'm sweating. I'm so tired, but you know, the show must go on.